What's the meaning of billboard? Billboard. Billboard.
Billboard. Billboard. A billboard is a large outdoor advertising structure typically found in high-traffic areas such as alongside busy roads and highways or in commercial areas of cities. It is designed to catch the attention of passing motorists and pedestrians with eye-catching visuals and concise messages. Billboards can be used for various advertising purposes, from promoting a new product or service to raising brand awareness or driving traffic to a website or physical store. They come in various shapes and sizes, and are often equipped with lighting or digital displays to increase their visibility and impact. The use of billboards has been a popular marketing tactic for many decades and continues to be an effective form of advertising today.